Hello, I'm Ana Santos from PT4U Portuguese Lessons Online. Welcome to one more video dedicated to this great language, Portuguese. And of course, as a great language it has some tricks that I would like to teach you and help you through in order for you to understand it better. For this, I prepared some channels that you can contact me. Of course, my email, my Facebook page, PT4U Portuguese Lessons Online by Ana Santos, of course, it's me. My website, where you can find all the information gathered. My YouTube channel, where you can find this video and much more regarding similar to this ones, and my podcasts with some simple listening exercises where you can practice your language and at the same time know more about this beautiful country, all cities, villages, and places that you can visit. For those who have joined me in this through these weeks, what have we been doing so far? We worked about verb to be and to be, the headache for Shakespeare, and we've been practicing the verb eu estou, I am at. So I taught you how to say this in Portuguese. Check my last video regarding last week, and today I'm starting an idea, but imagine that you're in different places. And what can it be useful for you in those different places? So today, onde estou? Where am I? Eu estou na estação do comboio. So you're in the train station and you want to ask for some informations. I'll give you simple headlines that you can use, and at the same time, of course, the train station is the starting point, but as usually, you can always change or use them in different situations. So let's see some of these expressions for today. Qual é o comboio para Lisboa? So qual is the word that you use every day for which one? If you want to ask, if you're in a double situation, which one is? So qual é o comboio para Lisboa? De que linha, so which platform, de que linha sai o comboio para o Porto? De que linha sai o comboio para o Porto? And be careful, if you look at the Google Translator or some other translators, you'll find another word for it, similar to train. It's not that word in Portugal, from Portugal, that we use. Train or trem, you find it especially in our brothers in Brazil. So just be careful with that. Comboio. And then the old expression right now that you already know, queria, I would like. Queria comprar bilhete para Sintra, por favor. So queria comprar bilhete is ticket, para Sintra. The word para that you start seeing here that shows up a lot is to Lisbon, to Porto, to Sintra. And please works every time, por favor. Some more expressions that some of them you already know. Quanto custa o bilhete para Rocio? How much is the ticket to, in this case, Rocio? And imagine that you're a student, you're over 65. You can ask, há algum desconto? Is there any discount? Há algum desconto? Há is the Portuguese word for exists. Does it exist or do you have? Há algum desconto? And finally, qual o caminho até ao metro? Again, which one? You can, but the better translation will be how to get to the subway. Qual o caminho até ao metro? So I hope you feel that this can be helpful for you. You always can ask me more information or give me some more suggestions of what to do in my next videos. Don't hesitate to contact me, and especially have fun in this beautiful country. Tchau, tchau. Beijinhos.